Maayong buntag mga dong mga da, akong pangalan ay si Cheno. Ang karong adlaw, mag-island hopping kami dinhi sa Siargao on their most famous tri-island hopping tour. Kung naay available nga bangka. So, let's go! So this is where you go to book all your island hopping tours. First we pay 50 pesos entrance fee and that's per person, but the boat itself actually costs 1,800 pesos and that's good for 6 people. We do also have to pay 100 pesos docking fee at Daku Island and 40 pesos entrance fee at Guyam Island. Alright guys, we're now making our way to our bangka. We do have to walk on the water. It's very low tide right now. But yeah, the tri-island hopping tour starts very soon. It's actually quite tricky, you guys. There's like holes on the sand here, so try not to trip, but we're pretty much at the boat. So guys, we've just made it to our first stop of this tri-island hopping tour, and that's Naked Island. We're actually joined by our good friends that we went on tours in El Nido with. So we've got Zoe and Zara.
Yo.
And their cousin Trisha in the back.
Hi.
So, oh yeah, Alex is here too. But yeah, we're back together again. We're hoping to do more than one tour with them this trip. So we'll see what we can do in Siargao, but today is gonna be an incredible day. The skies are clear, so excited na kaayo mi for this trip. Okay guys, so my first impressions of Naked Island after 4 years is that the island has definitely got bigger. It used to be much smaller, I swear to God. And then there's a lot of rocks now, so if you can see like over there, there's rocks surrounding the island now. I'm not sure why, or maybe it's because of the typhoon and it just moved a lot of things around, but yeah, it's a bit rocky now on some parts of Naked Island. But other than that, it is looking pristine as usual. Water's so blue. It's quite calm around the sandbar as well. And so yeah, let me fly up the drone. I want to get my sunscreen settled into my skin first. And so yeah, let's bring it up top and show you from above.
I made it through everything I never thought I would. Hell and back, now I'm here and it just feels so good. We're alive, we can breathe, now let's break some rules. It's time to jump, time to scream, can we act like fools? I deserve a little bit of fun. You and I until the sun comes up. I deserve a little bit of fun.
What do you think?
It's, oh my gosh, the water is so clear, literally crystal. It was so beautiful. And I think I'm gonna get a quick tan here. Literally, because like everything reflects back in your skin and it's really hot.
Yeah, legit, I think we can get a quick tan just like laying down for 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's really warm.
Yeah.
But it's beautiful.
It's looking so nice though. I want to get my sunscreen settled into my skin first before I hop in the ocean. So yeah, let's get set up somewhere. We'll head over to where Zara and Zoe are. How nice, hey. You guys been here before? Yeah.
Look, the only difference is the rocks.
Yeah, that's right.
I never remember the rocks, but do you know what? I don't think I said they've been blown. I think maybe the sandbar was smaller before.
Yeah, it definitely was smaller.
'Cause
So
I
maybe
only
they might have
remember
been
that,
here.
yeah, I think maybe it's bigger.
Yeah. Zara's already in. He can't wait. Oh, he is. I'm actually jealous. I want to go in. Dude, that looks so picturesque.
Yeah, that does look so good.
Sorry ladies, he's not single.
No, he's not. Stop commenting. Do you know what? It's not the ladies, it's the men that comment. Yeah.
You heard it here first. It feels so good because it's so hot, but the ocean is refreshing. It's actually not too cold. I would say it's just right. Guys, honestly, it feels so good to go in. I was literally just flying the drone, sweating my ass off, like sweat just dripping down my face as I'm standing flying the drone. So honestly, it feels so good to go in. Let's go. It's like a pool here, guys. It's so clear and the water is so calm. Perfect conditions. Naked Island is a good quick stop, guys, but you definitely want to make your way to the other 2 stops. What are you pointing at?
Starfish. Jellyfish. They're confusing me. There was a starfish, but I'm seeing jellyfish right now.
Makes me a little bit nervous. Just like straight up running and swimming in here. Grabe ka guapo or guapa kaning Naked Island. And yeah, not too sure why it's called naked. Don't go naked because that's not good.
I thought you were naked.
That's not advised. Being here on Naked Island honestly feels like paradise right now. It's so simple. It's just a sandbar. Literally that's it, but you're just sitting down chilling in the water. Nothing feels better right now. So guys, nahuman namin din sa Naked Island. Init na yan kayo. So gusto namin mulakaw to the next spot, which is Daku Island, where we'll have our lunch. Okay, honestly, all of us gutom na kayo. And the sun, the blazing hot sun isn't helping with that, but it is looking pristine in terms of aesthetics. But yeah, we'll see you at the next spot.
Look at the water, guys.
What she said. The water's just stunning, super clear, and I better head up now.
Your lips spoke softly. You seem to like me.
So we're here at a second stop, and it's called Daku Island. And Dako in Bisaya means big, because this island is actually much bigger than Naked Island and the last stop that we're gonna go to. So yeah, welcome to Daku Island.
Think I love you early. You're such a doll, but you never hurt me. We be a jet, never end. I don't wanna be a friend. Think I love you early.
So guys, when you get onto the island, they've got these huts. There's plenty of huts actually, where you're gonna have your lunch. So you can either buy lunch at the markets, or I'm pretty sure you can just order them here as well. But yeah, look at that. We're set up over on that end. So we're set up over there with everyone. And yeah, we're just waiting for food now to be cooked and prepared. Always gotta order mango shake. Well, Alex ordered it for me. So good. I mean, what can you expect? It's tropical fruits here in the Philippines. Tastes so much better.
Nice.
Masarap. Perfect for this weather.
So we got mango shake as well. I do have to avoid the ice cream, so I'm not good with milk.
Cheno's
Lactose
going to, but
intolerant.
you can't have the ice cream because he'll explode.
Yeah. let's not test it. Hello. Up here. Ikaw. Up here, bud. Oh, grabe. That was a sand-filled high five.
So we got the food now. It took us about a while to cook, but we didn't cook it. The artist cooked it, but we got adobo, grilled lentil, and fish and buttered prawns, and just a lot of rice. So we're gonna eat this and chill out.
What she said. Oh, thanks, bro.
Thank you.
What do you say in In your dialect, do you say manamit or masarak?
Manamnam?
Lamit.
You say what?
Lamit.
Oh, that's different.
It's just that, yeah.
It's so weird because they in like central Visayas,
Yeah.
even though they say they speak Visaya, they say manamit, but then like you
Right.
speak Visaya, but you
Yeah.
say
Lamit.
lamit. That's so funny.
Guys, we just had the meanest feed, honestly. I was so hungry the whole day. But yeah, kind of skipped breakfast, went straight to lunch. But yeah, we're still here at Daku Island. We're definitely gonna go in. We're just a little bit full, so we'll wait a little bit. I flew the drone up already and it was looking quite beautiful. But yeah, it really has changed since the last time Alex and I went here back in November of 2018. Looks like the beach has receded a little and a lot of the palm trees have kind of just like fallen off, and yeah, it looks a little bit more maybe bald. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, there definitely has been a lot of damage here in Siargao. But it's all good. It's still looking as pristine as the Philippines does, as you can see. That's just beautiful. And so yeah, I'm pretty excited to hop in the water soon and cool down from this clear and beautiful sunny day.
Looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient. Did you say right there? Close now. Could I be falling for you? Jaws on the floor. You got that something I can't explain.
I'm coming, you guys.
And I'm asking to know when you come my direction. I get in ahead of myself.
How am I looking?
Great.
How do I look?
Yeah, 100%.
Really good.
Professional swimmer.
I'm just trying to match RJ's energy.
Message for RJ.
You should take a selfie. RJ, where are you at? That's funny.
It was so the funniest thing.
Bye, Daku Island. See you next time.
In a way, stain on your face. Can't love what you hate, but deep down you know what I know. But you didn't find love that way. Well, you've been gone for way too long. A vision blurred now, but I feel you strong. Where do we go? How do we move on?
Welcome to the final stop of the Tri-Island hopping tour. Niabot na Medini sa Guyam Island, and it's actually my favorite stop of this tour because look at that. Little island and palm trees. And the best thing is you can order mango shakes here. I am still a little bit full, but that was the most memorable thing when I went here in 2018. Super chill, just have a mango shake, sit under the palm trees, and enjoy this stop. So yeah, let me hop down. The others already went, I was just flying my drone. But yeah, I've got to land that drone soon. Yeah, let's go. There she is. Babe, this place has transformed since we last
I
been
know,
here.
I was just saying, 2018 was a whole new different world. Apparently there's like a slat or
Oh, yeah?
the walking thing.
Oh, slackline, I think. This is why I love Guyam Island, guys. It's chill. Look at Zoe and Zah. I'm not sure what they're doing. Practicing for the slackline, though, are we? But yeah, I absolutely love this island, guys. This is my favorite.
It's my favorite too.
Yeah, well, I guess it's our
Out
favorite.
of all the three.
Yeah, it's just super chill. There's a little bit more to do compared to Naked Island because that's just, you know, a sandbar. But this one, you've got palm trees, you can order drinks and whatnot.
There's music.
Music, it's such a good vibe here, hey. So yeah, I think Alex actually wants to try slacklining over there. It's easier said than done, guys. So,
I know, I still try.
You've been gone for way too long. A vision blurred
heels are, you're ruining his mood.
They just talk.
It's sad to say goodbye to Guyam Island. We're pretty exhausted, that's why we didn't stay that long. But I really had so much fun slacklining or attempting to slackline. That was actually my first time ever, and I think I got to about halfway. But yeah, you really have to have like full Zen mode trying out slacklining. But yeah guys, we're gonna head back to town. So I totally forgot to record an outro for this vlog, but if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do, and also click that bell so you get notifications when I upload in the future. And if you enjoyed this vlog, please hit that like button because it really does help out tiny channels like mine. I've also put Alex's as well as Zara and Zoe's channels in the description down below, so make sure you check that out. Anyway guys, I hope to see you in the next vlog. See ya!